When in Rome, right? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. We're out here, beautiful Pine Island, New York. Would you look at that, huh? They call this the Black Dirt region. This will be in a bunch of my videos because it's absolutely gorgeous up here. The dude out getting it done. I think I passed that guy on the highway before. Yeah, check it out. They grow all the onions up here for a lot of the tri-state area and the United States, I'd imagine. You'll actually see dudes out here picking vegetables and stuff, man. That cannot be a friggin' easy job to be hunched over doing that all day. My windshield looks like a war zone. I don't know, friggin' I was a target today for bird crap or something, or bugs, or pud. That's right, pud. Can't have your chicken without the pud. Very scenic up here. If you've never been to Pine Island, New York, or Warwick, New York, or Florida, New York, and you're in the tri-state, you really should take a ride up. Especially Warwick. There's lots of restaurants on the main street. It's a really cool area. And they have a flea market where Steve likes to go get his extra girthy cucumbers. Oh, I never noticed there's a skull in that window. That's cool. See that, friends? Land for rent. Build me a house up here. Rescue me a couple of Boston Terriers and Staffies. Raise them right with manners. Make them wear cute outfits and hats that have little spinners on top. I have the dream, now I just need the money. Friends, did you know for just 99 cents a day, you can help people like me who are stuck behind slow-moving traffic all day long? No matter where you go, New Jersey or upstate New York, they are slow. Oh my goodness. Actually had no plan on coming up here, but good old, what was it, Route 17M, huh? Always traffic, always end up having to get off. So, we're riding, friends. That's right, turn, bitch. Some view, huh? This side, not so much. Oh Lord, I think that car is stuck in the mud. Yeah, it's an old Galaxy. Now we're officially in Warwick. Yeah, check it out. Look at this dirt. That's good mulching soil. Tell you what. There's a cool Irish place in Warwick. I'm gonna pop the name and address here up on the screen. It's definitely worth checking out. I used to go there with Steve after he got his big cucumber. Nothing says two straight men other than going to a friggin' flea market and buying a big cucumber. Let's hope he never watches this because I don't want to hear it. Oh, friggin' bird just shit on my helmet. Like, you just gotta be kidding me today. Pro tip, if if you ever need to clean your windshield and you don't have any water, but you have a rag, Diet Coke works just as well too. Did not expect that. I'm like, oh, it's probably gonna make it worse. Nope, clean. Oh, here we go again, friends, with slow-moving vehicles. But hey, the view makes up for it, right? And we're around Numbnuts. I mean, that's just painful. How do you drive 10 miles under the speed limit, have a row of cars behind you, and you're just like, I'm good, buddy, I'm good, friends. Getting a little crazy here. Take it down a notch. And look at these views, huh? Mountains, greenery. A Cooper Mini. That wasn't so mini. That was wide. That was like a chunker. A chunker, I tell you. Well, quick little rip through Pine Island and Warwick. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday until the weather's not cooperating. Then it might just go to one day if I don't have enough footage. But I'm actually hoping to go to Daytona Bike Week and ride some bikes and make some videos and get out of the dirty. Should be fun. I'll take the train down.